Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 25th of January. And first of all, national news. India, France, UAE conducted mega air exercise over Arabian Sea. UN General Assembly President commended India for its engagement on UN Security Council reform. Telecom Act will hold good for many years. IT Minister Vaishnav. Republic Day 2024 Prime Minister Modi said this year's parade dedicated to Nari Shakti. The country has to become an energy exporter to become self-reliant in the power sector. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari. President Murmu inaugurated Kaushal Bhavan in New Delhi. More than 60,000 students participated in nationwide painting competition in run-up to Pariksha Pe Charcha 2024. IEF conducted exercise Desert Night with French UAE Air Forces over Arabian Sea. Over 1,500 farmers invited to witness Republic Day parade at Kartavya Path. DRDO to showcase various critical systems and technologies during Republic Day Parade 2024. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar launched Hamara Samvidhan, Hamara Samman campaign of Ministry of Law and Justice. Now, international news. UN General Assembly President commended India for its engagement on UN Security Council reform. Sweden set to become NATO member as Turkey approved its membership bid. US and UK conducted fresh joint air strike against Houthi targets in Yemen. North Korea demolished monument symbolizing goal of reconciliation with South. Russia said transport plane crashed with 65 Ukrainian prisoners of war on board. Thousands of people forced out of homes after 7.1 quake hit Western China. Now, business related news. Government approved outlay of 8,500 crore as assistance for promotion of coal gasification projects. India business growth at 4-month high in January. PMI. Government allowed direct listing of Indian companies on international exchanges of GIFT IFSC. ONGC got Petroleum Ministry's nod for green energy subsidiary. Indian bourses now fourth largest with combined stock value of $4.33 trillion surpassed Hong Kong. Now some sports news. Deepika Soren, Mumtaz Khan shone as India beat Poland 5-4 in FIH Hockey 5's Women's World Cup. Sheetal Devi, Neeraj Chopra all set to kick off Fifth India Champions podcast series. Australia announced T20 international squad to face West Indies. Michelle Marsh to lead. Number 1 ranking will inspire a generation next of Indian tennis. Rohan Bopanna after historic feat. Alexander Zverev thrash. Carlos Alcaraz set up Australian Open semi-final clash with Daniil Medvedev. And that's all in news. Thank you.